Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to mirror your iPhone screen to your Mac. It's an easy process, so let's get started. First, we need to make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on both your iPhone and your Mac. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. Then, tap on Bluetooth and make sure it's toggled on. Go back to the main settings screen, tap on Wi-Fi, and ensure it's also toggled on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Remember the network name, we will need it for the Mac as well. Now, let's move over to your Mac. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. In System Settings, click on Wi-Fi and connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. Next, find Bluetooth in the left-hand side menu and make sure that's toggled on as well. Great! Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are set up. You can now exit out of the system settings. Now, it's time to open the iPhone mirroring app on your Mac. You can use Spotlight Search, Command plus Spacebar, to find it, or go to your Launchpad and open it from there. The first time you open the app, you'll see a setup screen with a quick overview. Click Continue to proceed. You'll be prompted to unlock your iPhone, so go ahead and do that. After unlocking, you'll get a prompt asking if you want to allow notifications from your iPhone to appear on your Mac, even when you're not mirroring. If you're okay with that, click Allow. Now iPhone mirroring is ready. Click on Get Started. Immediately, the iPhone mirror will appear on your desktop. You'll see a loading screen, and then you will see a request to insert your Mac password or use the Touch ID. After that loading screen, you'll be fully connected to your iPhone. As you can see, your iPhone home screen is now displayed on your Mac. You can interact with it just like you normally would. You can scroll by dragging with your mouse or using trackpad gestures, just like you would on your Mac. If you want to go back to the home screen on your iPhone, there are 3 ways to do it. Click the Home button at the bottom of the mirrored screen, hover your mouse above the mirrored screen and click the Home button in the top right corner, or press Command plus number 1. To access the app switcher, there are 2 options. Hover your mouse above the mirrored screen and click the app switcher button in the top right corner, or press Command plus number 2. And if you want to access Spotlight Search, you can either drag down with 2 fingers on the trackpad, or press Command plus number 3. You can also type using your Mac's keyboard. For example, if I open the Notes app and start typing, you can see I am using the keyboard on my Mac to control my iPhone. Important note, you cannot use your iPhone directly while it's being mirrored to your Mac. If you try, you'll see an iPhone in use screen. To resume mirroring, lock your iPhone and then click Connect on the Mac app. This will reconnect your iPhone to your Mac, and you can continue using it via the Mac. And that's it. That's how you mirror your iPhone to your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.